Are you trying to find a side job to supplement your income? Make money online? You might want to think about making your passion a successful side business. You can turn something you enjoy doing into a lucrative business with the appropriate strategy. These are some activities that can be turned into successful side hustles. It took some time to choose those, and undoubtedly some are missing.
Number 1 is photography. If you have a passion for photography and an eye for detail, you can turn this hobby into a side hustle by offering photography services. You can specialize in different niches such as wedding, fashion, portrait, or even product photography. Start small by building your portfolio and offering your services to family and friends for free or at a discounted rate. Once you have a solid portfolio, you can start marketing your services on social media platforms and through your own website. Are you ready to capture memories and turn them into art? Let your passion for photography become your paycheck.
Still here? Good. Thanks.
Stick with us till the end for more valuable information and free access to Profit Boosters Hub.
Number 2 is writing. If you have a knack for writing, why not turn it into a profitable one by offering freelancing? There is a high demand for content writers, copywriters, and bloggers, and the best part is that you can work from anywhere in the world. Note that ChatGPT will be of great help in your mission. You can start by pitching your services to websites and blogs that match your interests and build your portfolio from there. You can also offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Are you a wordsmith with a passion for persuasion? Put your talent to good use and become a copywriter. It's time to turn your words into wealth.
Number 3 is crafts and arts. If you're artistic or crafty, why not monetize your talent by selling your creations? You can sell your work on platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade. You can also sell your products at local craft fairs or even start your own online store. Some popular arts and crafts that can be turned into profitable businesses include knitting, painting, pottery, and jewelry making. Get your craft on and turn your passion into money.
Number 4 is cooking and baking. If you love spending time in the kitchen, you can turn your passion for cooking and baking into a profitable side hustle. You can start by offering your services to family and friends, or even start a catering business. You can also start a food blog or YouTube channel to showcase your skills and share your recipes. Some popular food-related side hustles include cake decorating, meal prep services, and cooking classes. Ready to whip up some dough and earn some dough? Turn up the heat and make some tasty profits.
Number 5 is fitness and wellness. If you're passionate about fitness and wellness, you can turn your hobby into a side hustle by becoming a personal trainer, yoga instructor, or health coach. You can start by offering your services to family and friends, or even start your own fitness studio. You can also create online courses or ebooks to share your knowledge and expertise with a wider audience. Are you ready to sweat for extra income? You certainly should consider it if you're fit for the job.
Still here? Good. Thanks.
Stick with us till the end for more valuable information and free access to Profit Boosters Hub.
Number 6 is graphic design. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can turn this hobby into a profitable side job. You can offer your services to businesses looking for logos, website designs, or other visual content. You can start by building your portfolio and offering your services to friends and family. You can also create a profile on websites like 99 Designs, where you can compete in design contests and potentially win cash prizes. Do you have a creative flair with an eye for detail? Transform your artistic talents into a money-making machine by becoming a graphic designer. Get ready to design your way to success.
Number 7 is music. If you have a passion for music, there are many ways you can turn it into a freelance work. You can offer your services as a music teacher or instructor, either in person or online. You can also perform at local events, or even start your own band. If you're skilled at music production, you can create and sell your own beats or instrumentals online. Ready to hit all the right notes with your wallet? Make sweet financial harmony for a better life.
Number 8 is brand identity design. Brand identity design is the process of creating a unique and consistent visual representation of a brand. It involves designing a set of visual elements, such as a logo, color scheme, typography, and imagery, that collectively communicate the values and personality of the brand. The goal of this design job is to create a recognizable and memorable brand that resonates with its target audience and helps to differentiate it from competitors. Are you a branding expert with an eye for creating captivating visuals? Help businesses stand out from the crowd by becoming brand identity designer. It's time to brand your way to riches.
Number 9 is pet care. If you're an animal lover, you can turn your passion for pets into a profitable supplementary income. You can offer dog walking or pet sitting services to busy pet owners in your area. You can also start your own pet grooming business, offering services like baths, haircuts, and nail trims. Another option is to start a pet photography business, capturing adorable photos of people's furry friends. Are you an animal lover looking to turn your passion into profit? With your potential pet care service, you can make money doing what you love while providing a valuable service to pet owners in your community.
Number 10 is gaming. If you're a gaming enthusiast, don't let your talent for gaming go to waste. Turn it into a money-making venture by starting a second job creating your own gaming content. You can start a YouTube channel or Twitch stream and create gameplay videos, reviews, or tutorials. You can also participate in online gaming competitions and potentially win cash prizes. Get ready to level up your balance in your bank account. Still here? Good. Thanks.
Stick with us till the end for more valuable information and free access to Profit Boosters Hub. Number 11 is gardening. If you have a green thumb and love spending time outdoors, you can turn gardening into a lucrative side business. You can offer your services as a landscaper or gardener, helping people design and maintain beautiful outdoor spaces. You can also start your own garden and sell your produce at local farmers markets or at local restaurants. Is your green thumb itching to grow something beautiful? Start your own gardening business and watch your hard work bloom into something you can buy, the thing you always wanted.
Number 12 is language tutoring. If you're fluent in another language along with your native tongue, you can offer language tutoring services to others. You can advertise your services online and offer lessons either in person or through online video conferencing platforms like Skype or Zoom. Are you a teacher or subject matter expert with a passion for education? Share your knowledge and help others learn while making a living as an online language tutor.
Number 13 is event planning. If you're organized and have a knack for planning events, you can offer event planning services for weddings, parties, and other social gatherings. You can start by offering your services to friends and family and building a portfolio of successful events. Are you the go-to person for planning unforgettable events? Take your natural talent to the next level and become an event planner. Get ready to plan your way to profit.
Number 14 is personal shopping and styling. If you have an eye for fashion and enjoy helping others look their best, you can offer personal shopping and styling services. You can help clients choose outfits for special occasions or provide ongoing styling advice. Some people are tired of trying to keep up with the latest fashion trends. Help them. Personal shopping and styling services will make sure you always look your best without the hassle.
Number 15 is online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as business or personal development, you can offer online coaching services. You can create courses or provide one-on-one coaching sessions through video conferencing platforms. You've got the skills, the expertise, and the passion. Now it's time to share it with the world. With online coaching, you can reach people from all corners of the globe and help them achieve their goals. Get ready to make a difference in someone's life, one virtual session at a time.
Number 16 is home cleaning services. If you enjoy cleaning and organizing, you can offer home cleaning services to busy homeowners. You can start by offering your services to friends and family and building a client base through word of mouth. A clean home is a happy home, and you're here to help make that happen. They will love it.
Number 17 is voiceover acting. If you have a distinctive voice, you can offer your services as a voiceover actor and make money doing what you love by turning your voice into a rewarding hustle. You can record voiceovers for commercials, audiobooks, or other media, and offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Are you ready to make your voice heard and get paid for it? Do you have a voice that can soothe, excite, or entertain? It's time to make money with your golden pipes through voiceover acting.
Number 18 is product or service reviewer. Kind of trendy these days where the service is based on producing a short video as a user, most of the time less than a minute, extolling the benefits of a product or service. All you need is your smile, conviction, and minimum equipment for production. Are you a self-proclaimed critic? Put your skills to work and get paid for your reviews as a product or service reviewer. Check what others are offering on Fiverr, for example. Still here? Good. Thanks.
Stick with us till the end for more valuable information and free access to Profit Boosters Hub. Number 19 is social media management. If you're social media savvy, you can offer social media management services to businesses and individuals. Imagine getting paid for doing something you love. Turning your social media knowledge into a part-time job can make that a reality. You can help clients grow their social media following, create engaging content, and develop social media strategies. Do you spend all your time on social media? Why not turn your scrolling habits into a profitable career? Become a social media manager then.
Number 20 is mindfulness and meditation services. This could cover individual or group sessions focused on teaching and practicing mindfulness techniques and meditation practices, which can help with stress reduction, relaxation, and mental clarity. It could also include services such as guided visualization or breathwork exercises. Ready to help others find their Zen? Looking for a peaceful side hustle? Take a deep breath and make money by sharing your mindfulness and meditation expertise with others.
Number 21 is home renovation and repair. If you're handy with tools and enjoy home improvement projects, you can offer home renovation and repair services. Don't let your talent for building and repairing go to waste. Simply turn it into a money-making venture by starting a side hustle. You can start small with simple repairs and build up to larger projects like kitchen and bathroom renovations. Make your do-it-yourself dreams a reality with home renovation and repair. Get paid to do what you love.
Number 22 is woodworking. If you enjoy working with your hands and creating things from scratch, woodworking can be a great hobby to turn into a profit-making side freelance work. You can make custom furniture, home decor, or even smaller items like jewelry boxes or cutting boards to sell online or at local craft fairs. Want to make money with your hands? It's been the way people worked for a living for centuries.
Number 23 is travel planning. If you love researching and planning trips, you can turn this activity into a successful and rewarding gig by offering your services as a travel planner. You can help clients create customized itineraries, book accommodations and transportation, and offer recommendations for activities and restaurants. Do you love researching destinations, finding the best deals, and creating itineraries? Your next adventure could be turning your travel expertise into a side hustle. Get your boarding pass ready, immediate boarding.
Number 24 is virtual assistants. If you have experience with administrative tasks like scheduling, email management, or social media management, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant to entrepreneurs and small business owners. You can work from home and provide your services remotely, making it a flexible and convenient side hustle. Are you a master of organization with a knack for productivity? Offer your skills as a virtual assistant and help others get more done while earning a living. It's time to assist your way to more income.
Finally, number 25 is interior design. If you have an eye for aesthetics and design, and if you're looking to earn some extra cash, why not turn your favorite pastime, designing, into a lucrative side job? You can offer your services to people looking to improve the look and feel of their homes or offices. You can start by building your portfolio and offering your services to friends and family. You can also create a profile on websites like House or Home Polish, where you can showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Some are feeling lost in their own home. Help them find your way to create for them a stylish and cozy abode, one throw pillow at a time. Congrats and thank you for sticking with us.
So, my friends, as you can see, there are many ways to monetize your hobbies and turn them into a profitable side hustle. Whether you're a graphic designer, musician, animal lover, gamer, or gardener, there's a way to turn your passion into a source of income. Start small, build your skills and network, and you may be surprised at how much you can earn doing what you love. Are you tired of working for someone else and want to take control of your financial future? Do you want to make money online? Our Profit Boosters Hub can help you get started on the path to success. Sign up now for free access. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.
Yes, Anything Evidence thanks you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.